The Planetary Science Vision 2050 workshop is happening right now at NASA headquarters in Washington, D.C. The workshop is meant to discuss ambitious space projects that could be realized or at least started by 2050. During the event, Planetary Science Division Director Jim Green gave a presentation discussing NASA's considerations to launch a magnetic shield to help protect Mars. This magnetic shield would just be a satellite that generates an artificial magnetic field to help block the sun's harsh solar winds. You see, everybody loves to get excited about terraforming Mars, adding carbon dioxide and oxygen and nitrogen so we can breathe and grow plants like here on Earth, but there are two major hurdles scientists have to overcome. One, there's almost no atmosphere to begin with, only about 0.087 psi, less than 1% of the pressure on Earth. Even if you were to bring an oxygen tank, you would still need a pressurized suit to protect the liquid in your body from boiling. Then, after we've carefully, or more probably violently, added an atmosphere, we would need to protect it from being stripped away from the sun. This second point is much less talked about, but required for Mars to have a stable, Earth-like atmosphere. Earth, my favorite planet, has an incredible magnetic field shielding us from solar winds. We could not live here without it. Scientists believe Mars had a magnetic field at one point, but it has long since stopped working. So let's go back to explain how NASA's plan would work. Let's say you went to the beach and didn't bring any sunscreen. You could instead stay in the shade. NASA would build a satellite to create some metaphorical shade for Mars to hide behind. In addition to protecting the atmosphere, it would also help reduce the amount of radiation hitting any people living on the planet. This is an exciting solution that could be feasible with today's technology. If we were to start terraforming planets in earnest, we are going to need to implement plans like these. I've linked the video in the comment section below. Check it out to get a more detailed explanation of NASA's proposal and see an interesting discussion of atmospheric modeling done with a protected Mars.